Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. And this today's video, I'll be showing you how to add application from app screen to home screen on Android phone. Okay, this is my home screen on my Android phone, and for example, I'm going to add application to this home screen. So first of all, we need to open our app screen, and this is my app screen on my Android phone. And for example, I'm going to add my X Recorder application to my home screen. So if we want to add application, we just need to tap and hold on the application that we want to add to the home screen, and we just need to click on add to home. And as you can see that my X Recorder application has been added to my home screen, and we can customize the position. You just need to tap and hold on the application and you can drag it like this. And I'm going to place it right here, and I'm going to add one more application to my home screen. I'm going to add the Google Sheets application, for example. Then we can click on add to home. Okay, and the Google Sheets application has been added to my home screen. And I guess that's how we can add application from app screen to home screen on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.